I was going to film this intro the day that I filmed this video. I am so glad that I did not. So after I was done with this video that I'm about to show you, I filmed a TikTok. Okay, I'm brand new to the TikTok platform. Last video you guys heard me talk about TikTok, like I am new to the platform. We're almost at 50,000 followers. The TikTok I filmed for this video and this makeup has 322,000 views. I couldn't believe it. I was getting scorpions in Animal Crossing last night. I checked my phone and I was like, what? Speaking of Animal Crossing, you like my phone case? Anyways, so thank you to everyone that's following me on TikTok or anybody that's watching my I don't know how to say thank you, but thank you. That's like, I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. If you'd like to follow me on TikTok, my @ as of right now that I'm making this video is MadeULook Lex. Another benefit of not filming the intro the same day that I did the makeup is I can actually tell you guys that this took me about 2.5 hours to do. I thought it was gonna take me like 6 hours. I walked in, I sat down, I was well prepared to focus for 6 to 7 hours approximately. That also being said, I actually filmed this video in more of a speed paint type style because I was like, no possible way am I giving 8 million instructions for this video. Even though I'm not technically giving instructions to this video, I'm still going to list all the products that I used to create Nemesis from Resident Evil, which now I'm stuck between Animal Crossing Obsession and Resident Evil 3 remake coming out, I think beginning of April. The drama. Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also make sure you have notifications turned on. And then as soon as you click the bell, you have to click all notifications or else you only get some notifications. Don't ask me why. I ask why all the time. I also just realized I don't have any sort of transition for this video because I'm not gonna be talking after this intro is done. So, enjoy.